Hello, I'm Elena Martín. I'm Associate Professor and Researcher of the University of Vigo. I work in the fields of numerical simulation of different manufacturing processes involving normally some fluid inside. And I also work intensely in the CFD numerical simulation and also in the development of reduced order models for a fast integration of that numerical model. I'm here in the Morpho project as advisory member, and I've been in Santiago de Compostela during these 2 days, just listening to the conception of that Morpho project. I'm very grateful to be here because I could have some insight of this novel approach to the evaluation of composite materials in the aeronautical field. The consortium is a very strong one. And they're going to face a lot of big challenges, technical challenges in this project. So I'm eager to know the results, the outcomes of this project. So thank you.